Hey, do you have your new boots on? How do you like them? Do they make you walk funny? Let me see your boots. Oh, you already want them off? But they're so cool. Let's... Come here, let me see them. Boots. Do you like them? Say thank you, Mommy. Say thank you. Yeah, we'll put your jacket on later.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
Oh my.
Milk. Milk.
Can you not bend? Can you not bend in those boots?
Boots. Boots.
Do you have cool boots? That's what you're gonna go out in the snow with when it snows. Hmm? Can you run in those boots? Oh, do you want me to put those on? Go find the other one. Where's the other one? You have to sit down or take your boots off.
Hey.
Hey, Kate.
Hey.
Say hi, Nana. Can you say hi to Nana?
Hey, Nana.
Say I love you, Nana.
Love you, Nana. Love you, Nana.